Mr. Chairman, distinguished members of the Commission on Appointments. This representation as the chairman of the Committee on Foreign Affairs presided over a public hearing this morning to deliberate on the nomination of one ambassador extraordinary and plenipotentiary and the ad interim appointments of three foreign service officers consisting of two senior officials promoted to the rank of chief of mission plus two and one senior official promoted to the rank of career minister. Your committee, after deliberating on their qualifications and fitness during the public hearing, determined that they are fit and qualified to be in their posts, in the posts where they are nominated and appointed, and therefore ruled to recommend to the plenary their appointments for the consent and approval of this body. Mr. Chairman, it is my privilege and honor to recommend that this body give its consent to the confirmation of the nomination of Ambassador Rafael Perpetuo Mercado Lotilla. Prior to his nomination as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary to the Holy See, Ambassador Lotilla served as Secretary of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources from June 2025 to February 2026, and as Secretary of the Department of Energy from March 25 to July 2027 and from July 2022 to June 2025. To this end, Mr. Chairman and distinguished colleagues, I move that the Commission give its consent to the nomination of Ambassador Rafael Perpetuo Mercado Lotilla as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary to the Holy See, with concurrent jurisdiction over the Sovereign Order of Malta, with the salary and emoluments of a Chief of Mission plus one. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
Any objections? The chair hears none. The motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman, I
Thank you.
would also like to recommend to the Commission the confirmation of the ad interim appointments of the following officials to the rank of Chief of Mission Class 2, Mr. Christian Luna de Jesus and Mr. Anthony Aquiles Larin Mandap. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
Any objection? Hearing none. Approved.
Lastly, as chairman, I would also like to recommend to the Commission the confirmation of the ad interim appointment of Ms. Judy Barbara Giang Robianes to the rank of Career Minister. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
Any objection? Hearing none. The motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Sam D.